Hello, principal friends. Hey, it's Jenny here, and I promise to be very short, but I wanted to make sure that you guys were able to give some input on programming renewals for next year. A few district-wide, not all of them by any means, but primarily from our CETS dollars district CETS allocation. So we've had a lot of conversation, over kind of the work in the system, the initiatives. And so I wanted to kind of walk you through this really quickly so you were able to make your selections and understand kind of the system here. All right, so district CETS dollar options. This right here talks about kind of the district's kind of perspective, right? So we're wanting to choose programs that maybe provide an intense reading intervention, promote and support authentic literacy, support SEL for our students, or programs give access to an online library. Many of you know what these could be. And here it talks about district distributed amounts in approved programs are listed over here to the left. Please select your choice. If you would like to purchase any additional based on your funding at the school level, please indicate that as well. So here's kind of how the coding works. You will put CETS under the choice that you want to use your district CETS dollars for. Now, it's very important to know, this is why I wanted to do this little video. This is not your CETS allocation that Marianne will send to you. This is right off the top of the district dollars, okay? So that's why I've shaded it purple here. This is in the past what we've used to purchase scientific learning district-wide. And we have the option to continue to purchase scientific learning if you should choose scientific learning. So many of you may not have known about that coming right off the top. So I just wanted to make sure you had some weigh in as far as what those dollars went to. Okay, school, if you would write school here if you choose to purchase based on your school funding, but the district will support and offer and we'll still do all the contract negotiations, all the content or all the memos to the board, everything, even if you want to purchase these out of your school dollars, SBDM, title funding, whatever. And you could just leave it blank if you don't want to purchase it. Now here's the catch here. Is by the time we divided up what the CETS dollars is that comes right off the top per school, we did not do this per pupil. For this year, we did it per school. District CETS allocation, again, you will not feel the impact of this on your CETS funding that Marianne sends to you. This is just right off the top district, okay? $5,000 per school. So that's what you have to operate off of. Here you happen to see Burlington Elementary. I could scroll down and the first tab is all the elementaries. So if I go up here, if Kim Gilbert and her school wants to purchase Mayan, you can see that it's 9,000. You could choose to use CETS to support that, but anything over the $5,000 has to be purchased by the school. If you want scientific learning, it's $5,000. If you want Newsela, you can see it's 42. If you want the SEL version of Newsela, you can see the cost here, social studies, science, okay? You can purchase any or all of these, but just know the district is providing $5,000. Middle schools, based on feedback that you've given us, you have the same kind of options here. So here's Valley. So Erica can choose out of her CETS what she wants to purchase. Erica, if she wants to purchase Newsela plus this, anything above the $5,000 would just need to come from your school funding. So you can just put school and then we'll work with you later on which budget you want that to come from. Okay, and again, we will do the contracting so that we get district prices or a cheaper, reduced price for you. And then we will take care of everything going to the board. Okay, so here's all of our middle schools. Everything is the same. By the way, the Newsela pricing is per pupil. Okay, just so you know that. High school, same thing. I've heard a lot of conversation from our high school coaches primarily saying that they would really appreciate Newsela going forward. So it could be something that you guys want to again, share responsibility with us, but just know that $5,000 is what we have to offer, okay? If you guys have any questions about this, please don't hesitate to reach out. I just want to, I know we're going to have a level meeting very soon. Probably your level T&L principal will reach out to you, but I wanted to get this out to you ASAP so we can get it into the board for approval so we don't have any break in service going into next school year. And again, reach out to me with any questions, comments, concerns, but I hope that that covers what you need to know. So this will be in a live Google form. So go ahead and fill that out as soon as you can. Thank you all. Take care.